Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to recover permanently deleted videos from Android. To delete permanently deleted videos from Android, you can tap on your gallery on your mobile phone. Usually the photos and videos that you delete on your mobile phone are still on your mobile phone for 30 days. For this, you need to go on your albums on your gallery and then you need to look for trash bin option or deleted items option. Here I have deleted items, then tap on deleted items option. After this, you'll be able to see all the videos and photos that you have deleted. Now you can tap on any one of the photo or video that you want to restore. After this, now here you'll be able to find arrow icon or restore option depending on the mobile phone you are using. I have arrow icon, so tap on the arrow icon. With this, now that video will be recovered. Now you can go back to your photos section on your gallery and then you'll be able to see that your video has been recovered. Now if you regularly back up your data on your cloud service like Google Photos or Google Drive, then you can open your Google Photos application. Now make sure that you are logged into your Google account. Now here you'll be able to find library option at the bottom. Tap on library. Then you'll be able to find bin option. Tap on bin. After this, now look for the photo or video that you want to recover. Then tap on the given photo or video. After this, you will be able to find restore option. Tap on restore. Now the photo or video will be moved back to your gallery and your Google Photos as well. Now note that the bin on the Google Photos or the trash bin or the deleted photos album on your gallery stores photos or videos that were deleted for only 30 days. You need to recover the items within the 30 days. This is how we can recover permanently deleted videos from Android. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.